Ever wish you could jump between GPT-5, Claude and Grok without paying for multiple subscriptions? Look, I use Claude for technical and coding tasks, then maybe Grok to generate quick images, Gemini for in-depth research, and ChatGPT for creative writing and bouncing ideas around. And yes, all those models come with paid plans. Today, I want to test Use.AI, a brilliant app that bundles these AI services and more under one subscription. Let me show you around Use.AI dashboard. By the way, you'll find a link in the description to access a special Use.AI 7-day trial for just 99 cents. It's a great way to see if you like Use.AI. This is Use.AI dashboard, and it probably feels pretty familiar. It uses the same design approach that many other AI platforms use. You have a history here with your conversations, you have access to the apps, you have access to the image tool if you press here, where you could ask Use.AI to generate images for you. You could create projects for your repetitive and important tasks. And then you have the history of your past conversations here. But the real game changer comes when you start a new conversation, because from here you can use any of these models. So you might start a conversation with GPT 5.4 and then maybe change to Claude. Or who knows, maybe you love Llama. You can use your microphone to dictate into Use.AI. You will need to give it permissions. Please, give me a list of all the planets. And then let's maybe select Claude and send this query. Similar to Claude or ChatGPT's interface, you could add files. For example, I could add the script for this video and ask something to Use.AI related to it. I can ask what are the main talking points of this video. Use.AI will go analyze the TXT file I attached and give me an answer. And of course, this doesn't only work for TXT files. You could upload images, you could upload PDFs, you could upload Microsoft Word documents, pretty much anything you want, you'll be able to upload. One thing that's pretty cool is that Use.AI is available in several languages. As you can see from my profile, I could change it to any of these languages, and that's a few of them. I'm also able to use a dark mode. I always prefer light modes though. And then of course you could ask in any language you want. There you go, it answers me in Spanish. Or in French. I wish I knew what it says though, because I know no French. Over the apps section, Use.AI has a couple of interesting apps. One is a background removal. You'll just upload an image, like this one, and Use.AI will go and automatically remove the background of that image. Then from the app section, you can also generate images. But to be fair, you could do that from a normal conversation too. You just come here and ask it to create an image. And another interesting tool is that Use.AI can connect to the website and find more accurate data. So you could pass it URLs to, for example, do analysis of your latest blog post. And because web search is enabled, Use.AI is capable to go on the internet and find us information. And there you go. Use.AI has created a report with all the grammar issues that my post has. One thing I do often in the Tool Tester newsletter is to create images to illustrate several pieces of text, just like this one, for example. I have to go into my AI of choice, prompt it, and then let it go, do its thing, and generate the images. And to be fair, it's quite time consuming. So I'm using this trick with Use.AI to make the process way smoother. As you can see, I created my own project that's called Newsletter Illustration. Right? So let me show you what I've just done. I go into new project and give it a name. I create the project. Then you go into the project settings and you can give it instructions. So I'm telling it that from a text that I'm gonna pass it to create an image with 16:9 aspect ratio that follows certain style and that illustrates whatever the passage of that text is speaking about. And because Use.AI allows me to add images, I can go into my newsletter, download this image in my computer, then go back to Use.AI and attach it. And now every time I paste a piece of text, Use.AI will generate me an image with the desired style and following whatever I said in the instructions. So for example, let's say I need an image to illustrate this passage. I copy the text, I come into Use.AI, tell it to create me an image, and tell it to go ahead. As you can see, he's using Claude to generate the image, and it's pretty in style of what I normally use. But let's say I'm not 100% happy and I'm not getting the best results with Claude, so I want to use perhaps Gemini Pro. I just select Gemini Pro from here and tell Use.AI to try it again. And there you go, this is the Gemini 3.1 image, which I think maybe is a little bit more fun and what I'm looking for. One thing I use Use.AI a lot for is to compare outputs, because I can't choose from so many models as you can see here. Then I can also easily test the outputs that I like the most. And this is a clear example. We started with the Claude image, then we went to the Gemini image, then I used ChatGPT's model, then I went and created one with Grok, and finally one with Qwen. I always used to use GPT for my images, but after checking them all, I'm not sure anymore. What do you think? Which one was your favorite image? After using and testing Use.AI for a few weeks, I did like the user experience, and I am sure many will find useful to have so many AI models bundled onto one platform. I have to say though, if you are not an intensive AI user, probably Use.AI is not for you. But if you find yourself always switching between AI models, well, Use.AI might be just what you were looking for. I have to say though that for now, Use.AI has a couple of drawbacks. You cannot schedule tasks like other AI platforms allow you to do. And for now, it doesn't integrate with other tools like Notion, Google Drive, or your calendar. Hopefully, those will come soon to Use.AI. Alright, I gotta say I love Use.AI's pricing model. You either have a free account with some usage limitations or a paid plan. And as you can see, the Pro plan gives you access to more advanced AI models and several tools like AI image generation. And look at that price. You get access to over 25 different AI models for less than $30 a month, or under $17 if you decide to pay quarterly. Follow the link in the description to get this super affordable trial. And thanks to Use.AI for sponsoring this video. Hey, thanks for watching this Use.AI review. If you found it helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth tool reviews.